Yo, what is up, guys? Serg here. In this video, I'm actually going to show you how you guys could actually make money on Instagram, even though you guys are still growing your account, or you guys are having issues, or you guys want to get into being an influencer on Instagram, but are trying to make money without going into brand deals and stuff like that. But you guys can actually start making money as of today when you guys start growing your Instagram account. So, so before we get started with the video, hit that like button. Also, hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button, because like I said, I'm posting every single day until I reach 10K. And I know this video is gonna be uploaded today, and it's probably gonna be uploaded a little bit later on. But I'm trying to stay consistent with this so I could reach my 10K subscribers. And yeah, but yeah, it's true, guys. You guys could actually make money while you guys are growing your Instagram account, or if you guys are want to get into like doing something with Instagram and something like that, and are trying to earn money. There's lots of ways to actually earn money through Instagram without even being an influencer and all that stuff. But yeah. So what we're gonna do right now is actually gonna show you guys what kind of methods you guys are going to be using. Like I said, the best way on all my other videos, best way is affiliate marketing. Alright, if you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is basically promoting other people's products. So let's say you have a product that you actually like and you actually use, you guys could actually promote it to that customer and stuff like that. Okay, so that's one of the ways you guys are gonna make money with Instagram. Okay, and you guys don't need a big following to actually start making money with using this method. So as you can see here, you see my Instagram, I do not have a big following, but I'm gonna start growing it and this and that. But I basically just help people create how people create a business through affiliate marketing, using affiliate marketing. Okay, so what you guys want to do is actually find a product, and first find a niche. What you guys are actually going to do, like find a niche where a lot of people are actually want to get into, like the health, the dating, the wealth. Those are the three recommended ones I actually tell you guys to do, because that's the evergreen niches. So you guys should actually do those. Okay, the next thing I'm actually gonna tell you guys is to actually do reels of them. You guys, if you guys are doing the fitness niche and all that stuff, just you guys could do it without even being in the video. You guys could promote it the way you guys want to promote it. But yeah, reels are actually blowing up. Instead of just doing basic posts, I suggest to do reels so you guys could grow your Instagram faster. As you can see here, some of them are not really that good, but when you go down, because I wasn't staying consistent, so but when I went down, more down, you see that some of these are actually pretty good. This one was 4,000, thousand. This one was 5,000. This one's 2. But you get more exposure through reels than you do with a regular post. Okay, so that's how you guys could actually grow your Instagram faster, and so you guys could actually start promoting stuff that you guys actually like. All right, so what you guys want to do is actually just grow your account. There's ways to actually grow your account. You guys could actually go right here, shout out cart, and just browse influence. But you don't even have to purchase through here. I suggest that you guys actually go to their DMs themselves, and they give you a lower rate than what they give you. All you gotta do is just look them up right here. You guys can unlock it. You get you guys could sign up, register for free, and they give you like credit and stuff like that to unlock some of these influences. And just find the influences you guys want by the keywords. Like let's say you guys want to enter the health niche, you guys could actually go right here, don't click all, and just look for let's say you're in the give me a second, the food and nutrition, which could be health and fitness. So you guys could easily just click on one of these, you know, see what kind of, you're not gonna purchase anything, but I can't do it right now, but you guys could easily find this picture, stuff like that. You could literally see what their name is, but I can't really see. But yeah, just try to unlock this, but you have to register and stuff like that. But the food and nutrition, stuff like that, and just contact them through Instagram. If you find them right here, all you gotta do is click here, or you guys can actually just easily put food hashtag and look up post and stuff like that, and look up influencers like that, okay, and see what kind of promotions they give out and stuff like that. Just look them up, contact through them on the Instagram, on the DM. Let me see. I think you have to follow them first, and then let me see. Yeah, follow them, and then it's gonna pop out the message, and that's how you guys could do it. And just message them saying, "Hey, what's up? I just wanna know how much for a shout out and stuff like that." They give you rates, and that's basically it. So you guys could help you grow your Instagram account and stuff like that. But if you guys really want to do that, all you gotta do is just DM them and stuff like that. But make sure you guys get influencers around your niche and stuff like that, so you guys could actually have your consumers and your followers that are actually around that person and stuff like that. So it could be so that your audience is for your niche. All right, so that's what you guys want to do. All right, as you can see here, he has pretty good engagement actually, and stuff like that. Like, this is a good amount of engagement, especially if he has 1,000 K followers. So that's a pretty good engagement right here. All these are pretty good engagements. So yeah, just make sure that the engagement is real legit, and make sure that this influencer did not buy followers and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this. So that's how you guys can actually do it. Just do Instagram Reels to grow organically, because that's the best way to grow organically, is Instagram Reels. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Instagram Reels is the best way to grow organically, and this is for you guys to boost up your Instagram followers, and just like that, as fast as you want it. Like, you could reach to 100K followers by the end of a week if you just tell them to give you a shout out and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically pretty much it on how you guys can actually make. Like I said, all you gotta do is actually go to find a product that you guys like, find a niche that you guys are into, and first find a niche that you guys are into, then find a product that you guys are want to promote, and then go to your Instagram, create an account based on the product and that niche, and just make sure it's good. Make sure you guys are doing Instagram Reels, and if you guys want to grow your account, all you got to do is go to this website, shoutcart.com, and find influencers, and then, or you guys could do the free method and just keep looking hashtags and look through them there, okay? But yeah, that's basically it on how you guys can actually make money with affiliate marketing through Instagram. Okay, like all you gotta do is put your link. All you gotta do is put your link here, and that's pretty much it. And people will promote it or stuff like that. If you guys cannot find products to promote, you guys could easily, if you already have a following, you guys could easily tell your followings, what should I promote to you guys? And I'm 100% sure that they're actually going to respond to you, because they already like you, they already do that. Especially if you guys are already have a following, you guys could just tell your customers, what should I promote here, what should I do, this and that, what should I do, yada yada yada. And I'm 100% sure they're gonna tell you. You know, all you gotta do is have a poll, what you guys want to promote, and ask them, okay, what should I promote, or just put a question saying what I should promote, and that's basically it. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, all you gotta do is hit that like button and hit that hit that like button, hit that share button, so you know, someone could find this video and to help them out if they're trying to grow their Instagram and trying to make money at the same time. Okay, so yeah, if you guys like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you guys could be notified when I upload my next video. And like I said, I'm still doing the 10K challenge, so I'm gonna be posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. So I'm gonna try to make sure I stick to that, cause I know I be saying I'm gonna stick to this, I'm gonna stick to this, I'm gonna stick to this, but then I got a lot of things other than just, you know, doing Instagram. But I'm trying to get monetized through Instagram, so you know, if you guys can help me out, that'll be very appreciated. So you know, that's pretty much it for this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.